Hello everyone. We'll begin with the chapter Two Stories About Flying. In the last video, we have seen the summary of the first part of this chapter, His First Flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty. In this chapter, as we know, the character Seagull, it is a water bird. The story is about this young seagull who was afraid to fly, who was afraid to learn to fly, but eventually he learns to fly. How does that happen? We have seen in the summary, but now we'll start reading the chapter. His first flight. The young seagull was alone on his ledge. Ledge is, the meaning is given to you, a narrow horizontal shelf projecting from a wall or a cliff. That means a very, you can say, pointed edge of a mountain from where the seagull was looking down, and it was alone over there. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. As I told you, his siblings, they already learned to fly, and here that is what is mentioned. They already had flown away. He had been afraid to fly with them. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. Precisely speaking, जब उसने ट्राई किया कि वो भी अपने सिबलिंग्स की तरह अपने विंग्स को फ्लैप करे और वो उड़ने की ट्राई करे, एंड बिफोर टेकिंग द फ्लाइट, बर्ड्स जब सीखते हैं उड़ना तो दे टेक अ रन, मतलब कि पहले थोड़ा भागने की ट्राई करते हैं और फिर वो उड़ने की ट्राई करते हैं. बट इट बिकेम अफ्रेड एंड डिड नॉट फ्लाई. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath, and it was such a long way down, miles down. Down, when he saw from the cliff, he saw the sea, which was stretched in a very long area. Moreover, the length, or you can say the height from the cliff till the sea was too much. माइल्स डाउन यहाँ पे मेंशन किया हुआ है, मतलब कि वो काफ़ी हाइट पे था, जिसकी वजह से भी उसे बहुत डर लग रहा था. He felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. He thought that his wings would not support him. They wouldn't help him fly when he'll take the flight, and so he bent his head. Here, bending his head is the phrase used for disappointment. He became disappointed and he ran away back to the little hole where the bird, the seagull, slept at night. Even when each of his brothers and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings, and flew away, he failed to muster up courage to take that plunge which appeared to him so desperate. His father and mother had come around, calling to him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. But for the life of him, he could not move. What's mentioned here is all the methods used by his family members to teach him to fly. His parents, they scolded him, they shouted at him, they even threatened him that they'll leave him alone and go away. He'll starve to death. But he did not learn to fly. He could not move from there because of the fear of flying. That was 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody had come near him. Now, his family actually left him. They ignored him and they left him. And it had been a day and no one came to him. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sister, perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. He had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it, standing on a rock while his parents circled around raising a proud cackle. He was looking at his siblings, और वो लोग इतना परफेक्टली उड़ रहे थे, वेव्स के ऊपर स्किम कर रहे थे, मतलब कि वाटर को टच करके वापस से उड़ना. वो इतना स्मूथली सब कुछ कर रहे थे और पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को ये चीज़ सिखा रहे थे. सीगल जो था वो सब कुछ देख रहा था, स्टैंडिंग ऑन अ रॉक, बट could not help. वो नहीं उड़ सकता था फिर भी. And all the morning the whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down the opposite cliff, taunting him with his cowardice. Here it's mentioned that पूरे दिन में वो नहीं कुछ कर पाया, वो उड़ नहीं पाया, जिसकी वजह से उसके पेरेंट्स उसको टॉन्ट कर रहे थे. They considered him to be a coward. The sun was now ascending the sky, blazing on his ledge that faced the south. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. दिन निकल रहा था. Sun was now ascending the sky, मतलब कि it was the beginning of the day and it was blazing heat. जो साउथ की तरफ से आता है, मतलब कि वो सनराइज़ की बात की है और पूरा इसके ऊपर कितनी हीट उस टाइम पे आ रही थी फेस पे, वो बताया है. और उसको ज़्यादा गर्मी लग रही थी और बहुत वीक फील हो रहा था बिकॉज उसने एक दिन से कुछ खाना नहीं खाया था. He stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye, then the other, and pretended to be falling asleep. इस बार सीगुल ने ट्राई किया कि वो वापस से उड़ने की ट्राई किए जाए और इट कंसिडर्ड कि वो वापस से ऐसे ही ट्राई करेगा. वो क्लिफ़ पे गया, उसने क्लिफ़ पे से ट्राई किया कि वो उड़ने की ट्राई करे. इसके लिए उसने इस टाइम आंखें बंद कर ली. Closing his eyes, he simply stood on the cliff and tried to take a jump. He saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau dozing with their heads sunk into their necks. His father was preening the feathers on his white back. Only his mother was looking at him. She was standing on a little high hump on the plateau, her white breast thrust forward. Now and again she tore at a piece of fish that lay at her feet and then scraped each side of her beak on the rock. The sight of the food maddened him. How he loved to tear food that way, scraping his beak now and again to wet it. Looking at the mother who was standing there in the cliff, उसने देखा कि she was just eating something and the seagull saw that it was a little fish and she was sharpening her beak to wet it. Means she was sharpening her beak to tear the flesh of the fish and eat it. And looking at the mother, the young seagull remembered how he used to eat the fish, how he used to tear the flesh of the fish and eat it. Right now, because it was very hungry, usko the sight of the food, it actually made him more curious and more hungry. I hope the content till here is clear. We'll continue the further chapter in the next session. Thank you.